Hello, today we're going to be unboxing a Heathkit IT-28. Bought this one off eBay. It's basically like a vintage capacitor tester, resistor tester. And I picked it up for like a little bit less than 400. And today is year 2024. So I don't know if that's a good price or what, but it seemed like they're going for anywhere from like 5 to some to 800. But this one was refurnished by the seller. Oh wow, did really nice packing. So I bought this off of eBay. Let's see. I'm gonna get this out of here. Yeah, they did a really nice packing material there. There we go. Surprising how small this little guy is. Pretty interesting. So yeah, by the seller, this was refurnished already, which is nice. Even taped up the dial. Really nice packaging. So this is the meter. It's pretty clean too, for the most part. A couple scratches over here. Expected. Yeah, this was, I believe, manufactured from 1968 to 1977. So pretty old technology. You got your glass tubes. Seller went through everything, cleaned all the connectors. Oh yeah, this thing doesn't have really much wear and tear on it. You can just tell by the knobs. Yeah, you got your power factor, your voltage, discharge capacitors. You can check for leaking capacitors, which is a nice feature. Obviously, some meters won't do that. So yeah, this is your test right here. Your different capacitors. What's pretty cool is how the eye moves on this. I mean, the overall condition's pretty good. Has a sticker on the back. I want to say like a newer plug. I don't know if they use these plugs, but seems like it's in good condition. Give the cord a little bit of cleaning. So yeah, I'll give the cord a nice cleaning because you can see it's kind of dirty. DC99 will take care of that stuff. I don't know if these knobs should pull off. I can get in between there. There's a little bit of dirt in there, but not much. Because you don't want to clean the face of it. You'll wipe anything that's off on it. It's all printed. So yeah, pretty good shape. Nothing's rattling around in there. Like I said, the seller went through, recapped everything, resistors replaced inside and everything. So what I'll do is I'll do a part 2 on that, and we'll take a look inside it. This is just basically an unboxing of it. But yeah, pretty nice to have in the workshop. I'll be definitely using this. Instead of busting out my meter, I can find a spot somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to find a spot on my bench for this, but be nice for discharging capacitors, especially working on power supplies for PlayStations and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys want to see part 2 of taking a look inside, see what the seller did on refurnishing this, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.